Hello, my name is Ryan Seghetti, and I'm a cemetery and funeral pre-planning specialist, and welcome to Glen Oaks Cemetery and Funeral Home in Oakville.
Glen Oaks Funeral Home and Cemetery features the convenience of a beautifully landscaped cemetery, on-site funeral home, mausoleums, and on-site crematorium. All within one location, Glen Oaks provides cemetery and funeral options suitable for all faiths, cultures, and budgets. When we're enjoying the good days, the death of a loved one is the last thing that we want to think about. But sometimes, life deals us a bad card, often when we least expect it. That's why it's important to plan ahead for the difficult days by contacting Ryan Seghetti at the Glen Oaks Cemetery and Funeral Home in Oakville. He has served thousands of families across the GTA with his professional and compassionate customer service skills. He is familiar with the customs and practices of all nationalities and faiths, and has even pre-planned for himself and his immediate family at Glen Oaks Cemetery to make the difficult days down the road just a little bit easier.
By pre-planning your funeral and cemetery arrangements now, all it takes is one phone call to get the process started. I can also provide you with a free legal will and executor kit, and if you plan to move, we can transfer your arrangements to one of our many locations across Canada at any time. My career at Glen Oaks Cemetery and Funeral Home has truly shown me how fragile life really is. So here's my message to you. Death is part of life, and it has no age. Young or old, be smart and plan ahead. The bottom line is, pre-planning saves money, saves stress, and it saves time. Unfortunately, when a family member dies, most people are left scrambling and are completely overwhelmed both emotionally and financially. With my help, I can prevent this situation from ever happening to you and your family. With one phone call, a seamless process begins. Peace of mind is a very real thing, and you deserve to have it. And with my help, you will.